You have got a Chinese channel you love. You have got a video with perfect Mandarin commentary. So why is YouTube Shorts playing it in English?
For a single throw of 1,000 dice to yield such odds, a person abroad spent 7 days and a total of 17 hours throwing dice over 10,000 times.
You didn't change anything. You didn't ask for this, but YouTube just switched the language on you. Hello my friends, welcome back to TubeU channel. I'm Harry. Today we're fixing one of the most annoying YouTube Shorts program, the audio track switching on you without permission. Now, good news first. YouTube has actually added the audio track option back into the Shorts player. You can find it by clicking the three-dot menu on the right. See it? Audio track. But here is the problem. YouTube still defaults to the wrong language. It picks English for you, even when the original video is in Chinese, even when you are watching in Chinese. So here is the quick fix. Tap that three-dot menu, tap audio track, switch it to your language. Done.
一个残酷的真相，你看啊，他每次扔的是2颗骰子之和。
But wait, what if that option isn't showing up for you? Or what if you are on PC and you want to full control? Use the same trick as always. Look at the address bar, see where it says Shorts. Delete that part, replace it with Watch V equal, and hit Enter. Now you are in the normal player. Full gear icon, full settings, full audio track control. No more YouTube deciding for you. And if you want this to happen automatically every time, grab a Chrome extension like YouTube Shorts to normal player. See, set it and forget it. Same track, different program, same solution. YouTube keeps hiding your controls, but now you know where to find them. Did this fix your language issue?
Please drop a comment below.
And if you missed our last video about fixing blurry Shorts quality, the link is right up there. Same track saved us there too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hidden internet secrets. See you next time.